welcome to my channel, The Blooming Earth. Today we are visiting the Sandy Island Beach State Park. This is one of the most beautiful, peaceful and relaxing place to visit in among the New York state parks. We will see in a while why. The crunchiness of the leaves, warm sand, sun and the water makes a perfect combination to relax your mind in a busy day. The Sandy Island Beach is located on the eastern shore of the Lake Ontario. The park facilitates for swimming, restrooms and is dog friendly as well. In this Sandy Island Beach State Park, we could see most of the areas are privately owned, and on the shore we could see many beautiful houses. They are lucky to live here on this beautiful island. Some unforgettable photographic moments. Of course, we bought our DJI drone along with us. It's aerial time. Let's see the view. Wow, the view is breathtaking with the colorful waters of blue-green and of course the sand and the sun. It's really a beautiful and a peaceful place to visit. It's about the sunset time and the sky has shown the beautiful color changes. Our little flight has landed and let's go home now. This is the best part where you can see the sun and the moon together. It's an awesome view. Hope you have enjoyed this little journey to the Sandy Island Beach State Park. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. You can also scan me with the barcode. So until the next episode, take care. See you again in another exciting video.